With the changes to state regulations every year, it can be hard to keep track of all the ins and outs of Minnesota child support. So keep watching for what you need to know. The basics. Child support laws in different states can be different, even though there are some federal laws that all states must follow. In Minnesota, there are laws to help children who do not live with one or both of their parents. With court-mandated child support payments, these children can receive money to help them via payments to their parents, of course. The parent receiving the child support can use the money for things like food, clothes, and healthcare. However, parents are not the only ones who can ask for child support payments in Minnesota. Grandparents, other relatives, or even county attorneys' offices can file claims too. In other words, child support is an important part of family law in Minnesota, one that helps children and families have what they need. Let's talk about some of the changes in 2023. Up-to-date economic data. Average inflation was a whopping 8% in 2022, compared to just 1.6% 20 years ago in 2002. That's why Minnesota's new child support laws for 2023 introduces up-to-date economic data into judges' decisions for calculating child support payments. This will be a welcome change for those using the existing guidelines. They were based on a staggering 20-year-old economic data. The basic support table will enable more accurate and up-to-date calculations so that children are provided with appropriate levels of financial support. Minimum support amounts. Parents struggling to make ends meet often have trouble making child support payments. In these cases, it can be emotionally and financially taxing when a parent is forced to make payments. However, they still have a responsibility to support their children. That's why the 2023 changes to child support in Minnesota include a minimum basic support amount of $50 for families with one child and additional increases of $10 per extra child. This legislation is a huge step forward in the state's commitment to ensuring that all children have access to the financial resources they need for adequate care. Note that this is usually the case even if you've declined to receive child support. Low income adjustment. In 2023, Minnesota will start allowing low-income parents to have lower child support payments. If both parents make less than $6,000 combined, they can have a lower child support payment. This will help make sure that the children are still taken care of. This is incredibly helpful for low-income families. Overall, this is a good thing because it makes Minnesota's child support laws more equal and fair for everybody involved. Income deductions. Finally, there were changes to income deductions as they relate to child support in Minnesota. Now, all children will be considered fairly regarded income and deductions. The new laws include the allowance of income deductions for any children involved in a family, regardless of whether or not the parents are obligated with a legal child support order. This benefits parents with multiple children from different partners. Child support mediation. Thinking about child support mediation and settling child support issues? You've come to the right place. At Farewell Family Law Mediation, we have an experienced Minnesota child support mediation attorney who is well equipped with the knowledge necessary to navigate various issues that arise under Minnesota family law. We understand the complexities of child support cases and are ready and willing to help you settle child support through private means. Our team will be with you every step of the way, so contact us today if you need quality legal advice. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.